This cart has 0 velocity and 0 acceleration. But can a cart have 0 velocity and a non-zero acceleration? Let's find out. I'm going to create a ramp by putting this track on top of some books. Then I'm going to put the cart at the bottom of the ramp. This cart has a built-in accelerometer, which allows us to collect data about its acceleration. I'm going to hit collect. Then I'm going to push the cart up and it's going to come back down. Now let's analyze the data. Now we're going to analyze the data from our experiment. This is a position versus time graph. And so you can see at the beginning, the cart is going up the ramp and then the cart is coming back down the ramp. Now I'm going to turn on the velocity graph and you can see that the cart is slowing down on its way up to the highest point and then starts to speed up in the other direction. So we have positive velocity and then we have negative velocity when it's coming down the ramp. Now you'll notice that this is a fairly straight line and that represents the acceleration. So the slope on a velocity versus time graph represents acceleration. Now let's go ahead and turn on the acceleration graph and see what that looks like. I'm going to turn off the position and turn on the acceleration. So if you take a look here, you'll see that there is definitely a non-zero acceleration. So even at its peak, the acceleration doesn't disappear. There is still an acceleration. So it is possible, based on our experiment here, to have an object with a 0 velocity and a non-zero acceleration. If you like this video, check out my next video on fan cart physics.